Okay, so here we have this Audi A3 in for our ultimate valet. As you can see, the engine bay is not looking too great at all. The usual leaves and all sorts of junk in the sills, usually where the rust starts. Plenty of grime and grease and oil spilled everywhere. We'll get stuck into that and get that sorted out. On the outside, usual scratches, scuffs. It's a 10-year-old car, it's going to have a few marks and things. A bit of corrosion on the wheels, but we'll get them cleaned up as best as we can. On the inside, not too bad, just a few stains in the seats. Usual grubbiness in the centre console and on the dash. Lots of leaves and dirt on the pedals, just general grime. Let's have a look. Some pine needles from Christmas trees from years gone past. I'll get that sorted out. Carpets need a good scrub, they're absolutely filthy. Again, just stains on the seats, nothing the upholstery cleaner won't sort. And then into the boot, just the same again, just pine needles, dirt, general usage. And sills don't look too bad. Right, enough chit chat, let's get these seats out, let's get the outside cleaned first, get the engine bay sorted, and let's see how we get on.